So these are my steps for finding the surface area of a rectangular prism. I chose a box of raisins as my rectangular prism. I measured, I came up with 2 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 7 centimeters. That was my step 1. Now comes my math formula for surface area. 2 times length times width plus length times height plus height times width. Step 2, substitute my measurement values. My length, my width, my height. 2, 7, and 5. Now that all my variables are replaced, I'm ready for step 3, which is to solve. Multiply 5 times 7, 5 times 2, and 7 times 2. Those values get added together. Here comes the calculator. Total is 59, and then we have to double the value. Label it centimeters squared, and then you found your surface area.